Hi, this is Eric with Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the Fresh Food Door Gasket on your GE refrigerator. If you need to buy a new Fresh Food Door Gasket for your refrigerator, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Before installing the door gasket, you will want to watch our other video that gives instructions on how to get the door gasket ready for installation. If you install a new door gasket without following these steps, it will most likely not seal properly. To remove, gently pull the gasket away from the groove on the door. If you need to purchase a new Fresh Food Door Gasket, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, start by removing the new gasket from the packaging. Again, reference the other video to make sure the gasket is prepared properly. After the gasket has been prepared, align it to one corner of the door, being sure that the flaps face the center when the door is closed. Then, work all the way around, being sure it seats firmly in place. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.